Now, at this point, you might be wondering why this library is called Spark SQL. Well, using our data frame from the last section, if we use its create or replace temp view method to create a temporary table on our SQL context, then using our SQL context's SQL method, we can run SQL-like statements against that table. And if your context is really a Hive context, then you can just as easily use HQL and access your Hive tables without any need to register them. Note that we can only call the SQL method directly because the shell imports everything from our SQL context object. If you don't do that, or aren't using Scala, then you have to be explicit in your use of SQL context.sql. Also notice that the output is just another data frame, as it's using the same execution engine behind the scenes. In fact, we can rewrite our average public versus private employee count just the same as earlier, except in more SQL-like terms. We can even use SQL to cache tables into memory via cache or uncache. However, unlike calling cache in non-SQL-like code, the SQL caching version is eager, executing as soon as the statement is encountered. But as of 1.2, you can add a lazy annotation to make the caching mechanism act more like the code version.